Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video I'm going to show you guys what I've been doing for a while now, because I wasn't posting more videos to my YouTube channel, and it's almost been 2 weeks last time I posted my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you guys what I've been doing, and I just want to say thanks to all of them who subscribe to my YouTube channel, because we're just going to reach 1,000 subscribers in 1.5 months. We just reached 800 subscribers. So I just want to say hi to everyone, and if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment below. I'll be answering them. And let me show you guys what I've been doing. So it will be very interesting. And this is what we've been working on. So you can see it here. This is an Adsense account, and we reached $730 on this account in the last 1 week. You can see the date range here, October 8 to 11. Sorry, October 1 to 11. So let me change this. You can see it here, October 1 to 11. So on estimate revenue, we're making like $130 on average, like $130 on this account. So I just want to show you guys that the traffic arbitrage method still works. So not all this is profit, but still we haven't spent a lot on advertisement. So almost like we're having a 100% return on investment, more than 100% return on investment. So I just want to show you guys the results. You can see it here. So let me refresh this so you can understand that this is not some fake numbers. So let me refresh this. You can see it here. I'm just clicking the refresh button. So it's refreshing. I'm not doing anything. And for security reasons, I need to hide some numbers like the URL or else other things. I can't show you guys those numbers. So you can see here the numbers are same, 727.54. So from October 1st to 11, and we started working on some other stuffs like affiliate marketing and CPA marketing, and I wasn't getting that big numbers on those platforms, but still I'm going to share you guys the numbers when I reach some point. For example, on affiliate marketing, I'm making sales on some high ticket products like ClickFunnels. I've been getting some results on that, and I made around like $100. That's not a big number, so I don't want to show you guys and bore you. And pretty much that's all, guys. And this is the things I've been working on, and I've been adding more videos to my AdSense arbitrage course. If you're someone who's interested, just go ahead and join it. Link in the description, the first link. And I also make some money with CPA marketing, Maxbounty, but wasn't making that much. So I'll show you guys those numbers in next 1 or 2 months, because I might get some results. I just want to show you guys that making money online is possible. And if you're someone who's interested in subscribing to my email list, do click the link in the description, the first link. I'll be sending you guys some more free PDFs, free trainings, and other stuff. So these are my results, and I already made a ton of videos on how I'm making this money. So if you haven't watched that yet, make sure just go back to my YouTube channel and watch other videos. So it's really easy to make this amount of money from Adsense and other stuffs. So if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment below, and do like this video and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys in the next video.